If you are a content creator, you don't know what you are going to create content on, you don't need to worry. You can use other people's content to make money. Yes, there is a way you will do it, and then Facebook will not even query you. Watch this video. Watch this video. Remember to follow us. All right? Share this video to at least 25 people and drop your comment. In case you have any question, just drop it on the comment section and let's go.
How to use other people's videos to make money from Facebook. You can make up to $5,000 from Facebook by uploading other people's content. You know that a lot of them before say the making money in life in general. Not people who work hard pass, now who work smart pass. My videos will be so let me create. If you create video, that video will fetch me like $50 for a month. Another content creator will carry that same video, package them again, you go upload that for a platform, you go use that to make $200 at the end of the month for that one video. So you see, say not be work hard pass, now work smart. So I want to show you how if you to use other people's videos to make money from Facebook every month. You know understand? Let me show you. First thing what you go do now to get a CapCut, enter CapCut, click on this app CapCut, you know understand, then enter new project, click on that new project, you know understand, then use click on photos, make you enter the pictures where you want to use your photo where you want to attach to the person video, you know understand, see the one I select for here, this is my fine picture now select, you know understand. Now the video where you want to use you go already download that for your phone before, so you go enter you go click overlay, then go enter add overlay, go click on videos. Now carry that video, that person video, so where you want to use to create the content, so just carry and choose this particular one we did there. So wait, make it load. You know that's when you download, you go come see it before you start the editing. Now, if I never send you that Nigeria monetization link, comment I'm interested, make a send for you, because I don't talk before say from now to December, I want to say make like at least 100 people they monetize, because Nigeria is not eligible for monetization. You don't need anybody for abroad to help you monetize your Facebook. As long as you in Nigeria, you get Facebook, you feel monetize your Facebook, they earn money from videos where they upload. You know that now the video don't upload now. Now drag and make it this small, make it not cover the full screen, make your picture see the show for the background. You know see the word drag now, you know they see me now. Now make sure see the picture, that your background picture, so you drag it to the full length of the video. Make it not be say when the video don't play finish, the picture don't pass. No, you go drag the picture, make it be the same length with your video. You see the word they drag and so drag like that, you reach the ending of the video. You see the word doing like this now. Now delete this CapCut watermark from the video, make it not show inside. If you delete it, click on delete, it don't come out. So the next thing now, we still did the editing process. So now check the audio. First
you sell your house for Nigeria. You sell your house for Nigeria just to go abroad. To go pack shit for more than 5 to 15 years of your life.
So this is very, very easy. And if you do it like this, you use until they make money. Not means now you create the video. If you use other people's videos, till they make money. Now, what I want to do for this point now, I want to increase the sound of the person. The original sound, the way the person they talk, and not too fast. Now, what faster make it not be the lights and the same voice with that person. You know understand? Because on that should be that they increase the speed of the talk of the person. Now already increase and the way it sound. It got different from the way the person they talk before. You know that's like everything na packaging. You know understand? Now, another thing if you do again, you feel attach the person, let's say now the video they talk about. If you go put the video picture for the background too. You know some people not agree, they read caption as they see the video pictures they want watch. So if you put the video picture too for attach and join, if you drag it to any place where you want me there for the background. Now don't put on for the now remove background from the video. Click on remove background from the picture. Remove background. Now when you don't remove the background finish, that background will come and the video picture will call it that place. That is by hair. You see now. So you go drag and make it big way, drag and make it big small. So people will feel see and say the video na the video they talk about. So even if they not even read the captions, as they see the video picture, they still watch the video. You know understand? This will not even take me 2 minutes of my time. Very, very simple. And at the end of the month, Facebook will see they pay you money for other people's videos where they upload on your platform. You know understand? You get what Facebook they call originality of content. They know they like me you carry other people's content on your platform. So that edit when I show you now, if you do one like that, you are not the real creator, the new creator of this particular one, because this one you upload, when you edit like this, they different from the original one where that person upload. And the funniest thing is that for social media, not be who work hard pass, now who work smart, now they make money. That video will be say the original creator. Let's not me be the person, let me get the video now. I feel make $50 from that video, make you wear editor like that. Or package like that, go put that for your platform, make you make $200 at the end of the month from that same video. So now all about being smart. So many of them where they worry say, I'm not a social media person. This thing will not show you now, require your face or for you to come social media. No. And for you will be say maybe you want to create content, but you never know how you want to start. Start with this one. With time you go the master camera, because the giganess where they get now. If they don't put camera for your front, you not go get that same giga again. No. Your moral go weak once. That same thing will be say you they talk where camera not face you. If they put camera for your front, so you are talk now, it go hard you. So with why you don't do all this one, much more the content will enter your spirit. As you create other, as you use other people's video on your page, you go see they bring out your own. Sometimes you go still talk that same thing with the person talk. Go look for like up to 3 to 4 content creators who they admire on the social media. Study them. Which type of content that they create, they follow them like that. You know, before you look now, you go to get the admiration, you go to do and practice the same thing that they do. Combine different people together. If you like Gege, do the same thing Gege they do. You like other content creator, combine and shake it together. Use that to form your own. You know understand? And Facebook they pay you money. I know up to 2 girls, where they make money from this same thing. I tell you. Sometimes Gege, this month I make $2,000. I go they laugh. I don't be there creating those videos. I make $5,000 so from people content. But as long as you already add your spike or that picture with the background on your picture, the music where you add for the background on your picture, as long as you already speed the person talk, the speed when you say they talk, you already speed and small. Not be voice, not be if you work there again, now your work there now. So you're not the original creator of this new project. You know that. So attach all these things. If you follow me from now to December, and you not become a successful content creator, I beg, as we enter January, or follow me, because really put 70 on the tissue for you. You know the supporter, and you know the follower. You know that. So if I never send you the monetization link, I send to everybody. You know, say it's not really easy. Go share comments. More than 4,000 comments. More than 4,000 comments. You know that. So to reply all those things, I got that is what they do. So if I never see send for you before, if you see comment, I'm interested. If I don't send for you, not comment, I'm interested again. You know that. So tell me thank you. Tell me thank you for this is on the show now. Tell me thank you. You know that. So